And former Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Olu Falae, says constant power supply is a veritable way to reduce Nigeria's unemployment rate. Falae was speaking in Akure, the Ondo State capital, at a special program organized by the Coalition of Community Newspaper Publishers to honor some indigents of the state. TVC News' Ayodeji Muradeyo has more.
It was a gathering of who is who in Ondo State, most especially people who have achieved greatly in their various callings. Although the event was designed to discuss how to develop the state, the issue of power generation took the center stage. For the chairman of the event and former secretary to the government of the Federation, Olu Falae, Nigeria will continue to witness little or no development if the power sector is not fixed. Falae believes that constant power generation is key to job creation.
The amount of power used per head of population is taken as a very good proxy for level of development in that society. That's how important that power is. And in Nigeria, as I try to explain, if power were available today, if it is stable, adequate, and affordable, hundreds of thousands of factories will reopen within months.
Other speakers at the event also aligned with Falae's position.
I think the pain of our society is that we're a rentier society. We're not creating anything. And you cannot create if you have no light. So that light issue is very critical for us.
So we just continue to pray that God will give the federal government that reach, that enablement, that power to ensure that we have stable, relatively stable, say 18 hours out of 24 hours in a day.
For the guest speaker, Professor Olu Falae, the people need to come together to develop the state.
We will be able to develop the state. Nobody will develop the state more than us. And we are calling all members of this community, people that are influential outside, let them come over. When you look at electricity, you know that is the major problem for investment.
One of the things we are doing, a few of us from Ondo State, is that we are meeting together and we are looking at what sectors of Ondo State we will come into to bring development to our people.
The event was put together by the Association of Publishers of Community Newspapers in Ondo State. Ayodeji Muradeyo, TVC News, Akure, Ondo State.